Invest in what's yours, in your apartment, in your future. With DFK Group, real estate becomes a secure, well-calculated investment for your retirement. Reliable, convenient, profitable. You decide how much capital you want to start with and what monthly contribution feels right. And our team guides you from start to finish towards your income-generating apartment. We are not intermediaries. We are your developer, your savings partner, and even your tenant. Each property is carefully planned, built, or renovated. And even before you purchase, we commit to renting it for at least 10 years. Tired of endless searching? Worried about owner and landlord issues? We solve everything under one roof. You only deal with our team. DFK Group takes care of everything else, before, during, and after your purchase. You benefit from appreciation, rental income, and a solid foundation for your retirement strategy. It's never been this easy to build a financial future through real estate. Invest in what's yours with DFK Group.